Hello friends, myself Ravi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about formatting an HTML page. So you will see how we can format a HTML page, and also you will see how we can properly lay out our HTML page using these formatting tags. So let's directly dive into the tutorial. So let's start with formatting our HTML code. So if you see a lot of website or most of the website, you can see there are three sections in the website. On the top, we have navigation bar, where we have all the routes and navigation to the different pages and different things. We also have logos, we have the title of the website. So things like this we have on the navigation bar, right? In the middle section, we have the content of website, and if you see in the bottom section you have a footer of website. Okay, so these are the three sections in which a website is divided. Okay, and HTML provides you a very pretty uh, tags to define these three structures. People don't really know about it. They just try using all div tags, container tags, but it actually helps uh, to structure your page in a better way, and it also provides a good readability of your code. Okay, so let's see. So for the navigation top header, we have header tag. Okay, so let's create one header tag, and after this header tag, for the content section, we have main tag. Okay, and for the footer, we have footer tag. Okay, so whatever the navigation things related to the website, all the links, all the icons, titles, all will go into this header section. Okay, and all the contents, all the meat and bones of the website, that will go into this main section. And all the footers, like some social media links related to the website, copyright things, those things are written in the footer section. So if you see this header section, HTML also provides you some tags to define the navigation things, like logos, link. Okay, so for that we have something called nav tag. So you can use this nav tag and write here all the links and all the icons that you want. In this tutorial, I am not actually showing you how you can design the nav tags or navigation bar. I'm just showing you how you can uh, structure your layout in a better way so that it will provide a good readability to your code. Okay, so suppose we are developing websites, so a lot of developers works on the website. So if you write a code which has the better readability, then it's easier for you to understand the website in the later phase, and also for the newcomers to uh, read your code. Okay, so that's how where it helps a lot. And it also helps to provide better search engine optimization to your website. So if a Google crawler goes through your website, it will see these tags, and it will know where the main content lies, right? So in the main tag, suppose if we are writing some content, then we can use article tag. Okay, and this article tag So suppose we are writing some blog or post, right? So we can use this article tag, and inside this article tag we can have the blog post, and that post has also different sections, like it has introduction, it has the description, then it has the conclusion. So you can also divide it into different sections. So for that also HTML provides you tag called section. So you can create uh, different sections. So suppose this is the one section, this is the another section. So in this way you can create different sections into this article tag. So it goes pretty well with this article tag, this section tag. One more tag that HTML provides. So suppose if you see a lot of website, it provides you some ads or something that is not related to a website, but it is on the website, right? To like have the money for the website. So they add the AdSense ads in the side of the website, right? So for that also HTML provides you a tag which is called a site tag. So you can use it to give the content which is of no use in or related to the website. Okay, so these are the tags that you can include in the main content section. Okay, so this is how you can basically format your layout. You can create the header section, then you can create the main section, and then you can create the footer section. Okay, and inside that header also we have some nav tag which is used to design the navigation bar. And then we have in the main section we have article and sections to define the article and different sections of article. We have footer section to deal with the footer area of your website. So this is how you can format your HTML coding and layout. That's it for formatting the code. If you have any doubt regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.